Hello there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a diet that's been making quite a buzz, the cabbage soup diet. We will be exploring what this diet is all about, how it works, who should consider it, its benefits, and the potential risks involved. So, grab a seat and let's get started. What is the cabbage soup diet? First things first, let's get the scoop on what the cabbage soup diet is exactly. It's a short-term weight loss plan that primarily revolves around, you guessed it, cabbage soup. This low-calorie, high-fiber soup is packed with various vegetables and is typically consumed in large quantities throughout the day. How does the plan work? Now, let's break down how the plan works. The diet usually spans a week and has a strict daily meal plan. You'll eat as much of the cabbage soup as you want, along with specific foods assigned for each day. The idea is to create a caloric deficit, leading to weight loss. WHO shouldn't try the diet? But here is the catch. The cabbage soup diet might not be for everyone. It's best suited for those looking for a quick, short-term weight loss solution. However, pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and those seeking long-term sustainable results might want to reconsider. Sample cabbage soup recipe. Let's take a look at a simple cabbage soup recipe you can try. Ingredients: chopped cabbage, diced onions, chopped carrots, celery, canned tomatoes, bell peppers, low-sodium broth, spices, garlic, thyme, bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: saute onions, garlic, and celery in a pot. Add chopped cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, and canned tomatoes. Cook briefly. Pour in low-sodium broth, add spices, and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and let the soup simmer until vegetables are tender. Season with salt and pepper. Enjoy! Cabbage soup diet plan. Now, onto the nitty-gritty of the cabbage soup diet plan. Each day, you'll have specific foods to eat and avoid. While the variety increases as the week goes on, keep in mind that this diet is quite restrictive. Health benefits of the diet. Of course, any diet comes with potential benefits. Proponents of the cabbage soup diet claim it can kickstart weight loss and help you shed a few pounds in a week. Plus, all those vegetables in the soup provide valuable nutrients. Health risks to consider. Visual representation of potential health risks. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. This diet lacks variety, might not provide all the necessary nutrients, and the rapid weight loss could be mostly water weight. Plus, the low-calorie nature might leave you feeling hungry and fatigued. Closing remarks. And there you have it, folks. The ins and outs of the cabbage soup diet. Remember, before embarking on any diet, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare professional to ensure it's suitable for your individual needs. If you're looking for long-term, sustainable weight loss, exploring balanced, nutritious eating habits might be the way to go. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next video. Stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Take care, and until next time.